Hello everybody! Today I would like to continue with the body, but first I will do a few more interior details. Need to finish the dashboard. I will do some more patina in the interior, and then various other details that I have attacked during folding. I decided to patina the interior because I thought it was too nice. I tried to create appearance of beer. I thought of creating something original, show a sheet or blanket covering something in the trunk of a car. Then I used a piece of napkin, school glue and little bit of water. I cut out the napkin first, soaked it in the dilute glue and then arranged it in the place where I want it. After the glue dries, the napkin is hard. In this case, we can apply paint. In my case, it was the color blue. Next, I mixed a selective paler shade to shade the folds of the napkin. After drying, I slightly more patinated with a dark wash to show soiling. As usual, I prepared the bodywork for spraying the base color. I mix it up here a few drops of red paint. I always find it difficult to spray a gray base on a white body. In the next video, I will cover the final color of the body. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Share your experience in the comments. I enjoy reading them. Bye bye.